This shop has made over $5,000 in revenue in 2 months with a brand new niche that only a few sellers are currently covering on Etsy. Today, I'm introducing you to the world of AI prompt selling. And if that sounds intimidating, I'm gonna tell you that you can enter this market with zero skills, almost no money, and no prior experience using a shortcut called prompt automation, which I'll be covering in this video step by step. And on this channel, I like to personally test things out, so I've started my own shop in this niche, and I'll be documenting my progress on it on a monthly basis to see if we can make that kind of money. So let's get into it. Okay, so what exactly is this niche? Well, Midjourney is an AI tool that can generate images and art based on prompts. Type /imagine, enter anything you might want to generate, and it'll give you some fantastic results. Thanks to tools like this, AI prompt engineering is quickly becoming one of the hottest jobs in the world of generative AI. And that's because while Midjourney can generate some truly impressive art, it still needs specific prompting techniques and a lot of trial and error before you can extract that specific image that you truly want. In other words, it takes time, practice, and patience. So just like me, you likely don't know a single thing about engineering prompts, but there is a shortcut recently discovered by one YouTuber that allows ChatGPT to generate thousands of Midjourney prompts for any type of art you throw at it. And I'm gonna show you how this can be done and how we will be entering the market with our own shop today. But first, let's talk numbers. So currently on Etsy, only these 3 shops are fully exploiting this new product type. And one of them already has a bestseller listing despite uploading it only 2 months ago. There are currently 80 reviews for this product, and according to a research tool like Everbee, this single listing has made over $5,000 in revenue in just 2 months. So what exactly are they selling? Based on the description and the listing images, they're selling over 350 prompts for different categories of art, like web character illustrations, nursery art, pop art, and tons of other prompts. And making over 350 prompts may sound a bit overwhelming, but you're gonna see in a second that it can be done just within a couple of minutes. Now, full credit to Samson Vowles for discovering this, because he basically found a method of turning ChatGPT into a fully automated prompt generator for Midjourney. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's basically a free AI tool that you can talk to that can answer questions or reply to instructions in written form. And as it turns out, it's also a very good prompt engineer for Midjourney. Now, there's only 3 steps involved in this. The first step is giving a specific instruction to ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer. I'm gonna link the full instructional text down in the description, but to sum it up, you basically give ChatGPT the formula to write descriptive and coherent prompts. And this involves very specific details like actually referencing specific artists, color styles, and art movements. Once you do that, the next step is to ask ChatGPT to list us popular art movements in the last 100 years. Once we have the list, the third and final step is to ask ChatGPT to give us prompts for each of these types of art based on the formula provided in step 1. So I can ask ChatGPT for 10 prompts within the abstract art movement, and just like that, it gives us 10 detailed prompts for specific art designs within this category. And these prompts are perfect because the latest version of Midjourney gives you the best results if your prompts are not just keywords but descriptive phrases with as much detail as possible. So now let's head on over to Midjourney to test these prompts out. To access Midjourney, you can go to their website and click on join the beta. You'll need a free Discord account and the basic plan for $10, after which you can open up a direct chat with Midjourney. So I'm just gonna take one of these prompts and just paste it into Midjourney. Type /imagine and paste the prompt directly from ChatGPT. To generate the art in portrait or landscape mode, make sure to specify the aspect ratio at the end by typing -- AR2:3 or 16:9. As you'll see in a few seconds that because our prompt was so detailed and clear, Midjourney gives us 4 high quality images. Okay, let's try another one for pop art, for example. We just do the exact same thing as before, and once again, the results relate to the actual prompt given. So I've tested about 10 to 15 prompts from various categories. Obviously, I'm not going to test all 300. I have faith that if this method works for 15 prompts, then it's gonna work for all the rest as well. Now, to stand out from this seller, my strategy is to offer more prompts across more categories. So I wanna have 20 prompts for 20 categories of art, so that's 400 prompts in total. And to do that, I'll ask ChatGPT to give us 20 popular art movements over the the past 100 years. And once it lists those, I'm gonna take them one by one and ask it to give me 20 prompts for each category. Once the prompts are generated, I'm just gonna copy and paste all of them into a Google Sheet, which is completely free to use. Next, I will just download a couple of images that I already generated in Midjourney with these prompts and use them as listing images on Etsy so customers can see what type of art they can generate with our prompts. I'll open up my shop and add our first listing along with the Google Sheet document, so when customers buy this product, they'll just download the document and can start using the prompts immediately. Now, I'm not covering how to open an Etsy shop and upload listings in this video. I will link all my videos related to that topic down in the description box. Okay, so I plan to make more prompts across multiple other categories of art within the next few weeks and see how this shop progresses as we go along. But for now, that's been it. Appreciate every single one of you watching. Hope you have a great day or night, and I'll catch you on the next one.